The Oxford and District Model Railway Club present Oxrail 2025. Held in September at Edward Field School, Kidlington, this exhibition offers 14 layouts spread across 3 halls. The usual collection of traders and new and second-hand model railway supplies were also there as well. So let's take a look at some of the layouts. First up we have Tetbury in O gauge. Next up we've got a slightly unusual one. Here we have Burford in HO. This delightful layout is Clanfair Rides, a small layout in 009.
Possibly your bigger passenger train. You could run a passenger.
As the name suggests, this layout is grassy green in O gauge. Next we visit the fictitious town of Dackenby. This layout is in TT.
That's where the kids score. The shoulder.
And opposite Dackenby town we can pay a visit to Denton Sidings, another fictitious layout, this time in O. Across in the small hall we can pay a visit to Barrowway Drove. And of course, every exhibition needs traders. Here we have Buggles Kelly selling various bits and pieces as well as model railway bits, selling every detail you could possibly think of. But let's head back to the layouts. Next up we have the through rail memory lane, followed by the Z gauge Tetsudo Sankey.
That I think is set in Japan.
And of course, no Oxrail would be complete without Bossington. This layout was part of the first Oxrail exhibition back in 1964 and is seen here in 00 gauge. And next to Bossington, we've got Wurzel, a work in progress layout in O gauge.
Budget model railways, which I have to admit help. So this railway is very loosely based on Wantage Tramway, because it's almost my surname. So, Wantage Tramway, I would have to buy and scratch build the actual train.
There was also the Model Railway Club's 90p layout, as well as the under the bed layout. There was also a selection of N-gauge HSDs to admire. And after a quick walk past the owls, we can visit the village of Caninchebu. Set in the rolling alpine foothills, this layout is in HOE.
Let me entertain the public.